What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Hey, as you can see, man, we in the garage late night, but I'm gonna show you what's going on and we're gonna go from there. Check it out. Alright, so YouTube, we back. I've been sanding on the car already. With this, since it got a little light base coat on it, you don't have to sand hard or anything. Just put some light scratches in it, so you can go back over the base coat with another one, and then be able to do clear coat. So you have to sand it, give it something to stick to. So, sorry. So I got me a little 600. I'm just going over the spots that I already had put a little base coat on there. Just gonna go through them, man. Just make it a little light so I can doggone come back with the new base coat I got, and just give it some grip to it and put that clear on there, man. That's all. It ain't nothing special. Just, you know, put some scratches on it. Come back with a towel. Make sure I get it off. I got this. I might wet coat it. Wet sand it some too, and go from there. I actually got some paint. Let's see the paint. Just a little quart. I don't need much. Couldn't really find the thing closest to what I had that I wanted to get on hand because I didn't want to wait. So we put them side by side, and this was kind of close. It was right there, just off a little. And at first I was gonna say no, but I thought about it. It's like, all right, I put this with that. I'm gonna have my own kind of white. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna have my own kind of white, you feel me? So it's like, in the same sense, it's different. So like I said, man, a lot of stuff that I do is not for everybody, bro. Everything I do is not for everybody. So, you know what I'm saying? Just do y'all. I ain't trying to copy off nobody. This ain't no show call, but when I get done, it's gonna be nice for me to ride, and that's all I care about, bro. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what I'm doing now. The stage I'm in right now, I already sanded everything. I already sanded stuff down, so now I'm gonna go over it with wax and grease removal, so I can get all the grime and anything else that's left out, right? And after I do that, then I'm gonna tack rag it, and then I finally start laying the base and clear whatever. It's a tedious process, man, but it's just one of them things. I got a little makeshift stand I'm gonna try to put, you know, get a little footage so y'all can see me doing something and not just talking about what I do. So stand by, I got you. All right, so I got my surface prep, wax and grease removal, whatever y'all wanna call it. I got that. This is what I got, man. This is the stuff I had from when I first painted it. I had so much of all this stuff when I first painted my car that I got stuff left over. So this is what I'm using, man. And just pour it in the bottle, and I start with that and just spray it and wipe it down. That's what we're doing. So right now I'm gonna just start back here, man. Hit it with a little. Now I know a lot of people say put it on the rag, everybody do stuff different, bro. I didn't do mine like that. I like to spray mine on the panel and then wipe it down, but you can do it how you want. Everybody is different, bro. I'm just trying to get everything done, so when I go and do mine, you know what I'm saying? When I'm ready, I'm gonna be ready. And you just hit it, make sure it's clean. You're making sure all the dirt and everything off, you wipe it dry. And just go like that, dog. That's it. It ain't a whole lot to it as far as prepping. Making sure you got a good surface, a good clean surface. That's what it's all about, honestly. So once you do that, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do the whole car, so I ain't gonna bore y'all with that, but this is what I'm doing, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I'm done and get to some real stuff. Y'all don't wanna see this, but I got y'all in a second. Stay tuned. All right, we back. I already done tack ragged and everything. So now we're gonna start the base. I'm gonna try to get y'all a little footage while I'm doing the base. So find somewhere to put this camera up and put y'all on in a minute. YouTube, we back, man. Sometimes we gotta get ugly. I'm talking about real ugly before it get worse, man. If you think painting a car is easy, man, think again, dog. I got a story to tell you, and I ain't even painting that one car, but listen, man, I'm going through it before I wrap it up for the night, man. I'm gonna start over tomorrow, but let me show you what happened right now.